Let's learn English.
Hello friends, let's ask today. Listen and sing. Questions are easy, yes they are. Do or does, let's learn the star. I eat breakfast, you read a book, we watch TV. They open the door. Now ask the question. Listen and say, do I eat breakfast? Yes, I do. Do you read a book? Yes, you do. Do we watch TV? Yes, we do. Do they open the door? Yes, they do. I, you, we, and you do. He drinks water. She writes a story. It likes milk. Ask again. Listen and say, does he drink water? Yes, he does. Does she write a story? Yes, she does. Does it like milk? Yes, it does. He, she, it, you, does. I see a bird. You clean the table. We sing a song. They draw a picture. Do they draw a picture? Yes, they do. She opens her bag. Does she open her bag? Yes, she does. Do and does every day. Practice part. Listen carefully. Do you drink milk? Yes, I do. Does he eat rice? Yes, he does. Do they go to school? Yes, they do. Does she read a book? Yes, she does. Now you know, yes, you do. I, you, we, they do. He, she, it does. Sing and learn every day.